How to make a tic-tac-toe board. Knead clay before shaping them. You can add water little by little while kneading. Flatten clay with a rolling pin, making a round chassis and your favorite pattern that can be placed on the grid. Scratch with a pen knife and increase bonding. Connect the gaps with clay strips. Making clay strips, scratching the surfaces to connect round chassis together. Let it dry 2 days. Dry naturally in the shade. Using sanding sheet for sanding the clay surface. Color when the clay is completely dry. Acrylic pigment properties will form a film on the surface of the clay. Don't touch the clay until the paint is dry. Coating process. Apply an even coat of acrylic flow medium.